So I'm putting my snow tires on, and I can't help but find myself wondering, all these big tires, super jack 'em up tires, they got these special lug nuts. What? Why can't you just put like a 1/2 inch drive or like a 3/4 inch drive on the fucking thing? Why do I need to go get another socket to actually be able to use the socket for these lug nuts? Huh? I don't know. I'm no mechanic. There might be some valid reason, but to me it just seems a little silly. Now, I'm not a mechanic by any means, nor do I want to be. It's just funny because on my ASVAB, they wanted me to do aviation mechanic. They're like, oh, you scored really good. You know, maybe you should do this. Well, it was not it. Oh, and so now I gotta find the other fucking socket for the stop. Before you wonder where the rim or the hubcap is, I lost it. So well, what are the chances? There. I'm sure I'm gonna hate it when I have to take these off, but now the other genius thing I got going on is one side of the truck is a different type of lug nut than the other side of the truck. So I gotta have two different sockets. So something that's mildly concerning to me, it's not my garage, it took me a little while to find everything. The jack I found is leaking hydraulic fluid, so that gives me a real big warm and fuzzy. Well, I also don't have a hubcap for this thing. I only have two for the back. Alright, got the front done. Time to back this pig in. See, that's what I'm talking about. It's leaking out of back there. Focus, you fuck. I don't know. Keep her a little toasty in here. I remember now it's flip-flop which side these are on. what happens when you start getting old. You want stuff like knee pads. Having wheels that are under the wheel wells, I keep her a little cleaner. Son of a bitch. This one only fits the front wheel. Ah, I guess we got no upset. What happened is the fucking dealer, when I got the truck, I ordered snow tires with it. Well, I brought them in to get them on. I got them back. I didn't realize they only put 3 hubcaps back on. Maybe it was 2. And I lost one. Either way, something happened. So now I guess I'm down to 2 hubcaps, and they don't both fit the rear like I was hoping. So you look a little funny driving on the road. But I was looking up buying replacement ones, and I don't remember the price. There's some exorbitant amount. And I was like, I'm gonna buy hubcaps. This is bullshit. And the dealer, of course, is like, oh, we don't have them anymore. You know, if you want some, we'll order them. I was like, no. Fucking assholes that get you in that game. All right. Whew. We're gonna sweat. Oh, that's good. Got 3 down, 1 to go. See, it's funny to me. This is like one of those things that I always debate on if I should record or not. And I'm like, well, I don't know. There might be people that don't know how to do this stuff. Maybe they could learn. I don't know. I said, fuck it. I'll try recording it. It's pretty simple. I mean, I'm trying to think of how I learned. My mom taught me, actually. Surprisingly. And that was on... She always had minivans growing up. So I was on I think it was like a Grand Caravan. No, Chrysler had a minivan. It looked like the Grand Caravans. That's what she had before that. Because I'm one of those. I think it was the one I totaled hitting a deer. Changed a lot of tires with just a tire iron too. I had a Honda Civic I drove for work, and that fucking thing, I drove it till the wheels fell off. I mean, the wheels were blowing out on it driving down the interstate, and I'd have to stop and fucking put the donuts on. I remember I had a trooper pull over. It's like, oh, you need help? I'm like, oh, no, I actually just got it back on. And then like a highway, they have like the highway assistance people. This lady pulls up too, so there's a trooper and her. They're like, do you need any help? I'm like, no, look, I already got the donut on. I'm about ready to go. And they're like, oh, wow. Highway assistance people, or lady was like, people don't normally know how to change their tires. I'm like, that's like one of the most basic things. Like, you should be taught that in like home ec, or I don't know if they even teach home ec anymore. But that's one of them basic type things, you know. At least I think it is. I know I'm gonna teach my kids how to change their tires. All right, Jack. We got 1 tire to go. Can you hold out for that, please? Just hold out for this, buddy. Please. I greatly appreciate that. My first time using a pneumatic air gun. It's just not something I've ever had before. Alright, we'll see if this one fits. Nope, that's for the front too. Yeah, so that's what it was. They gave me back the truck and it had both front hubcaps. It didn't have either rear hubcaps. So it looked ridiculous. But now it might not have hubcaps, but at least it's uniform. That was the thing in the Marines. Hey, if you're gonna be wrong, well, everybody better be wrong with you. At least that way it's uniform. Then, well, fuck. Then it might not even be wrong. Uniformity, motherfucker. I didn't lose any lug nuts. That's good. There until next year. This one I need right now. Right now. I'm silly. That is incorrect. That's for those. I need this. Give her once around. Whoa. Make sure everything's tight. That happens because the wheel's on the ground. You guys probably can't even hear me. I'm just like grunting, making random fucking noises. Okay, I'd say that's good. Gucci, man. I don't know, maybe these are the type of videos to put on the YouTube channel. That's a little tougher to condense these down into the TikTok length. Well, that's all for today, folks. Until next time, have a good one.